feels familiar. Deja vu. Even if it's not, I could take it there. Staring at you. Everything feels so comfortable. I want your love. I need your love.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing this Eid makeup tutorial for you guys. So yeah, starting off I will be using this Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in 6, and I'm using the brush side to brush my brow hair and going to use the pencil side to filling the sparse area and going to line however my brows shape goes so it looks natural, and going to brush it again so there is no harsh area, and going to back and forth do the hair like strokes so it looks natural, and going to take some concealer to clean my brows so it looks very clean, and going to brush it again back and forth so again there is no harsh areas on my brows. Using Gimme Brow Gel in 6, also from Benefit Cosmetics, so the brow stays in place. And I'm taking this Anastasiabeverlyhills amrezy palette and going to take the color Samsa and going to use a pencil brush to line my crease, and also taking a fluffy brush with the same color and diffusing in the outer corner. And the next color will be this New Yorker, and going to blend it on my crease using a fluffy brush from ELF Cosmetics, and going to use the color 1988 and going to put it on my crease underneath the purple color so it looks very nice and very sharp cut crease. If you know me, you know I like in-depth on my crease, so yeah, I'm using some concealer to carve out my crease. I'm using a Urban Decay brush, it comes with the palettes they have. And I'm using the color Cupcake and going to apply it on the outer corner of the lid. So yeah, as you can see, I'm taking the color Anastasia and going to put this on the inner parts of my lid so both of the colors marry really well together. And going to take the last color for the lid, it's called Liddy. So yeah, the next step will be this eyelashes from onfleekbox, it's called Carmonderry. And yeah, the next step will be this Pixi Beauty's Hydrating Milky Serum, and going to apply this on my face as a primer. And going to take this Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in Cafe and using this Spa Sciences face brush, it's called Echo brush. And I'm taking this Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Confidence Concealer in Golden and going to apply it on my under eyes and going to blend it out using a concealer brush from Morphe, it's called E20. And I'm taking this Laura Mercier's translucent powder and going to apply it on my face wherever I wanna set my concealer. And yeah, I'm taking some Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer and going to chisel out my face. More likely I'm just warming up my face so it doesn't look very pale. So yeah, the next step will be I'm using this Benefit Cosmetics blush called Living the California Dream, and yeah, I'm applying this on my cheeks and going to use this highlighter from Becca Cosmetics called Opal and going to highlight my cheekbones, on the upper lips, on my forehead and on the nose a little bit. And the next step will be this eyeshadow called Samsa and New Yorker, and going to blend these two together on my lower lash line so everything looks very well blended and winged out. And yeah, the next step will be this ABH lip gloss in Undressed. And yeah, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends, and comment down below if you would wear this look. Okay, bye.